We got do the man. Can't nobody else do it. Do the can. Hey, big man. Get this in. Big man. So today we got us one of the soul food bowls. I've been trying to get one of these forever. I wanted the roast beef in the middle, but they ain't had it. So we got some chicken. And I never expected them to actually give us the middle of the cornbread. I always wonder what they did with that. You get a big piece of cornbread, dude. The biggest. Squeeze that in there. Then we're gonna give you some greens. Ooh, you slobbering, dude. You drooling. Give you some mac and cheeses. Try that. Gotta give you some candy yams. Then we're gonna give you a piece of chicken. I know how you feel about the chicken. Get the meat off for you. Get to it a little easier. I'm excited about this. I've been wanting to try one of these for years. Literally years. Hmm? What you bite? Now we gotta see how the mac and cheese is. Okay. Got it? Big man. Mm-hmm. Say so. Mm-hmm. All right, candy yams. They ain't as sweet as I thought. The greens on point though. Candy yams will be a little more sweeter. That was a big bite, dude. Want some mac and cheese? Mm-mm. Want to taste the greens? Try the greens. Big man. Try those. They good. I'm gonna put that back. Okay, there go the cornbread at the bottom. Okay. You can have that. Move the hell. You can have it. You can have that part, dude. Big man. I like the way the cornbread, it's a little soggy, but it melt. I like that. I always envisioned it being a roast beef though. This ain't bad though. Here you go. Want some chicken? Want some chicken, dude? Big man. I was taking too long. Huh. Want to try cornbread? Oh. I like this. I got it. I got it. I'm gonna move it. I'm finna tie it up for you, dude. Here. Let me tie this head up for you. Get out of the way. Big man. I got it out the way, dude. I got it. Here you go. Here you go. Want some chicken? I'm gonna get you a piece of meat out of that. Here you go. Huh. Here, dude. 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 Huh. Here. You hear some chicken? You hear some chicken behind you? You got another emotional support chicken. I snapped some greens in that one for you, dude. You can have it. Okay? We just made that disappear with the quickness. We don't play around like that, I do.